How to promote YouTube video in LinkedIn profile account. Let's see in this video lesson. Once we log into LinkedIn account, this is how the LinkedIn dashboard looks like. First, we need to click Start a Post, which will open this pop-up section. We can add a suitable title and underline it, and below we can add the main content of the post. And next, we can head to YouTube site and copy the video link. I want to promote this Google review video in LinkedIn. To copy the video link, we need to right-click on the YouTube video and select this tab. Next, we can come back to the LinkedIn post and paste it below the post content. And the YouTube video is visible under the main content. And finally, we can click the post button and publish. Just like in Facebook, clicking on the YouTube video, the video link here directly plays the video in YouTube site. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.